Okay, one tip today to just elevate your playing with chords a little bit. It's all about inversions. So if you know a basic 3 triads of C, F and G, you can play lots and lots and lots with those. But if you play them all in what's called root position with the name of the chord as the lowest note, like our C chord has the C at the lowest point, our F chord has F as the lowest note, and the G chord has the G as the lowest note. They're all in root position and you don't get the best sound, and also your hand has to just move quite away from the C to the F. The F and the G are really close together, aren't they? But if we make this C chord into an inversion, so we don't play them in the usual order, we still need a C, E and G, but if we rearrange them, we take this C away and this E away and we put them up there instead, we've still got a C chord, but this is an inversion. Okay, so I'm going to play my C chord like that. Really nice and easy to go from the G chord back to the C chord then. Let's try that again. C, F, G, C. And a nicer sound as well. You can still add a bass note with your left hand as the root of the chord. You'll still play a C when you're playing the C chord. So it's not a true inversion really. It's just the right hand that's using a rearranged version of the chord.